attached to the chair. So.
Oh, shit. It doesn't matter which side I'm on?
Nope.
Nah.
No, since you're on top rope, just try not to like
cross the roads.
find yourself like stepping over again.
There's like no grip here.
No, I'm good right now.
Damn.
He's cleaning it.
Baby, just yell like it's not unlocked. Okay. Go Dakota, you're doing awesome.
Oh, let's go.
Running up.
What the fuck? You guys see like a handhold? More right. There's like no hold. Fuck. Damn. That one was way harder. So much harder. All right, let's get down. Yes, sir. Take. This is crazy. Let's go, baby. How do you guys bring water up with you? Small bottle.
Wait, before you come down first, I bought a new water bottle.
Blue cube is full.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Damn. Thank you, brother. Dude, I gotta get your number when I make it to Salt Lake. I'll hit you guys up.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I was like, if I had water, I could have chilled up there all day, but
Yeah.
I need down ASAP. Damn. Thank you, brother.